In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales order in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Customers up top, and then from over here, there's a bunch of different things. You want to click on Create Sales Orders over here, and then in here, of course, you can select the customer, job over here, and then you can go to class, select the class as well. You could go and basically select your template as well if you're using more than them, and then over here, you have like things like date, a number, you have the name and address, you have the shipping address, stuff like that. And then here is where you can basically add the items. So if I do it like that, and for example, do like for example, let's just do it like this. I'm going to put it like that. I'm going to go and change things like labor over here, stuff like this. So you can put in as much as you want. And then here you have the amounts, you have the rates over here as well. And then of course you can customize these however you want. So if I do it like that, there we go. It's going to put it on. And then down here, you can see the customer message, memo, and text code as well. So you can customize all of this over here, then hit the save and close button. And that's how you can create a sales order in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.